Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Vlad and welcome to my XTargeter review. So guys, this is a new product made by Mosh Bari, and this product is all about Instagram. It's helping you getting high traffic from Instagram, high buyer traffic from Instagram, and directing it to high ticket commissions. So like this you make these big fat commissions and getting you to get traffic to that, right? So if this sounds something what you are interested in, guys, stick with me and I'm gonna show you a full demo and I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough to this product. So guys, if you click down below in the description of this video, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, because I was preparing for you some awesome bonuses which will gonna give you a full advantage, and you're gonna get the best out of this product with my bonuses which I prepared for you. So if you click down below in the description of this video, guys, this will gonna bring you my bonus page, which looks like this. But before that, you have to pick it up before this time runs out, guys. Otherwise my bonuses will gonna disappear and I don't want you to miss them, because how I was telling you before, those bonuses will gonna help you to get the best out of this product XTargeter. So let's jump into my bonuses. So the bonus number one, we have the crazy traffic explosion. I'm gonna give you even more traffic, guys, so stick with me. So the first bonus, crazy traffic explosion. So this bonus will reveal 20 top media buying sources worldwide. Those are networks that get minimum 100 million unique visitors per month. The bonus number two is how to master email marketing. Guys, even if this product, this software, you don't need the email list to use it and get those high ticket commissions. But anyway, I was preparing for you how to master email marketing. Maybe in the future, when once you build your email list, you need to know how to use it, right? And that's why I prepared this bonus for you, to prepare you to master the email marketing. So let's jump in that. So here you're gonna find a full training showing you how to master email marketing. It's everything you need to know, guys, in this bonus. We have the bonus number 3 is how to build a squeeze page in 10 minutes. Here the title say already everything. John will gonna show you guys how to build a squeeze page in 10 minutes. The bonus number 4, it's Instagram made simple and profitable. So this is a very easy to apply Instagram marketing training designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of the Instagram. This is also a very cool bonus, and of course we have the all vendor bonuses, which I'm gonna show you right now. So guys, if you decide to purchase through my link, you can click on one of these orange button and this will gonna bring you on the sales page. Here of course you can purchase the product, but first of all I want to show you the bonuses which the vendor will gonna offer you, right? So we have here, so here what you are gonna getting: XTargeter software value at 3,507 for a year. This is maybe too much, they're exaggerating, is my opinion. I mean, it's a good product, you don't have to exaggerate so much, but yeah. So come on, make instant high traffic commissions, $150 plus per sale. Scrape any Instagram post or ad to target everyone who's like it. 100% free Instagram traffic, premium quality, ultra targeted high intent buyers from high ticket affiliate offers, push button profit campaigns. Okay, the second one is this desire mapping tutorial, valued at $97. Learn this breakthrough secret to multiple conversion and skyrocketing your commissions by promoting the perfect offer to the perfect audience at the perfect time. The third one is quick start guide, valued at $77. Get your first profitable campaign sent out in minutes with this step-by-step guide. Create a simple profit system that increases your earning each day. Learn the common profit killing mistakes to avoid with your campaigns. The fourth one is high ticket hacking training, valued at $197. This covers exactly where to find the hottest new high ticket offers that are virtually guaranteed to convert. Get inside info on the best high ticket niches for generating huge profits. This is good. So once you have good high tickets niches, guys, you will gonna have huge commissions. Learn the key difference between low ticket and high ticket buyers, how to approach them to maximize your conversion, how to instantly tell whether it's a high ticket offer is truly irresistible to your audience. And we still have here 2 bonuses to offer. So special bonus is 100% free, 7-figure niche selection, promote the hottest under the radar niche with the biggest payout, make a fortune spotting and capitalizing on hot trends, never again feel like you are behind the curve. And bonus number 2 is the $800 morning strategy breakdown. Discover the exact strategy to follow to make up to $800 each morning using XTargeter right from the comfort of your home. Yeah, $800 is kind of much, and I don't think it's so easy. $800 in every morning. I think everybody wants something like that, and this doesn't come just like this. But yeah, some people like to exaggerate everything. But yeah, this product they don't have to exaggerate to this product, because this is a really good product, and this is gonna really help you to get high buyer traffic, and you're gonna direct that traffic to high ticket commissions, and you're gonna get these fat commissions how we all like. So guys, let's jump on the headline of the sales page. So drive free buy now Instagram traffic to any high ticket affiliate offer using this controversial $264 a minute software. This is too much, but yeah, $264 a minute, I mean, okay. Starting profiting in minutes with free premium Instagram traffic, easy $150 plus commission per sale, no website, email list or marketing experience required, just 3-click set up your first campaign, get ultra hot targeted traffic directly from Instagram, 100% free. This is good, you're gonna get a lot of traffic for free. You don't have to go into pay ads or something, and you're gonna save a lot of money. Realistic 6-figure per month potential, okay. If you potential, okay. 60-day money back guarantee, only in one solution, no autoresponder, hosting or monthly fees. This is good, guys. You have anyway 60 days money back guarantees, and you have only one solution, so you don't need a get response like to pay amount is like $24 for get response every month. You don't need hosting, and you just have to pay this software just one time, and you can use it freely. I mean, this is a very good deal, in my opinion. Now it's your decision if you want to buy it or not, and if this is gonna fit with your desires. Okay. So okay guys, now let's see what here the sales page say. Is kind of long, so we don't have to go through all of this together, so you can check it out in your time and be more attention at everything. Here's the Mosh Body, the mastermind behind this software. Here we have some income proofs, just 3 simple steps. Step 1, copy the URL of any Instagram post of ad into XTargeter. Step 2, watch XTargeter scrape a complete list of everyone who likes that post. And the step 3 is hit the send button to DM your offer to every lead on the list instantly. This is pretty awesome if it's working like that. $393 in commissions. Here's some more income prompts, Yeah guys, I'm gonna let you to check this out in your own time, and we can jump in the prices and upsells. We come back on my bonus page, because here are the prices and upsells, kind of short. So you have here the front end for $19. You just have to pay $19 and you have this. You can use this software freely. You don't need to pay every month to have access to those software. And the basic point is, and what was making me to actually make this review at this product, right, is this: you have to pay just one time. It's one time, and you don't need all of these autoresponders. You don't need take skills or anything. It's pretty easy to use. It's straightforward, and yeah, for me it's a very cool product. We have the upsell number 1 is email and SMS scrap and validator. Here the upsell number 2, it's unlimited. Upsell number 3 is done for you traffic. You have for $97. Here is for $67, unlimited. Agency rights for $97. And the last one, resale rights for $197. It's a pretty good price if you stay in thinking, right? Like this, if you have traffic in online business, in online marketing, you practically have those fat commissions. And once you master this traffic, then you can hijack yourself, right? I mean, that's why I was preparing this bonus number 2. It's how to master email marketing. And once you have your buyers, guys, once people buy through you and they know you, right, you're gonna begin to build your email list. Once you begin to build your email list and you know how to master this email marketing, because this is a very powerful thing, email marketing, and you have your ATM machine in your pocket, on your phone actually. So yeah, so guys, let's jump on the dashboard, right? But before that, click this orange button, and this will gonna bring you guys on my sales page, on the sales page, not mine, sales page. Here you can purchase the product and you have access of all my bonuses which I prepare for you, and of course you have the vendor bonuses which are all free of charge, even if you buy the front end, which is just $19, which I think is pretty cheap. So let's jump on the dashboard. Here's the dashboard. Here you have the dashboard, guys. You have here the campaigns, total emails, leads, invalid emails, valid emails. Choose here your account. First of all, you have to, when you come in the product, you have to log in with your Instagram account. Here and you have to change the password, because what I was hearing is once you buy the product, you're gonna have like a standard password for, it's like from 1 to 6 or something like that. But once you log in to the software, we're gonna show you automatically change the password. You just click on the password, old password, and after that you put your new password. Okay, just a heads up. So you have here all the tutorials for product, and that's why I want to give you just a quick walkthrough of all of these are, because you have everything here. They're gonna teach you everything, so I don't have to tell you everything and maybe I say something wrong, and you know. So Mosh Bari will gonna show you everything step by step, and you can use this program, this software at maximum. So how to get the Instagram shortcode, how to search for Instagram post by hashtag, how to validate emails for deliverability and quality, how to get started with XTargeter. Oh, my English is so damaged. Deliverability. Sorry, guys. How to retrieve leads, that's like an ad or organic post on Instagram. How to scrap email from leads. How to remove invalid emails, and how to send clickable messages. Okay, we have here the campaigns. Maybe I can show you one campaign. I see it's going very slowly. So here you have your campaign, guys, total leads, the status of them, and you can delete them, preview them, you can edit them how much you want. The broadcast, no broadcast from that. Email finder, you select here your campaign. Let's see here. So here, guys, it's one of the campaign. You have total emails, the leads 1122, and you have here all the details what you got in your campaign, CMSN finder, email validation, and of course the logout. So guys, practically that's it. The dashboard is very simple. It's pretty standard how other dashboards are. So, and you have anyway all the training you need for using this software. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and yeah, like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below with everything you want. Just feel free to ask me anything you want, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next one. Ciao.